I made my first goal. Let's do something. And y'all know my nickname, Big D on Leo. El chisme del dia. Those are the kinds that I love. Remember, look at my elbow. It got messed up. I should have recorded the freaking game last night because low-key I played so freaking good. I'm not even fronting on y'all. Like, I made my first goal. Isn't that crazy? So shout out to me, I got my first goal. And today's our anniversary. Today, Nick and I have been married 3 years. So that is something to celebrate. Makeup done. I was gonna put my hair in buns, but low-key I kind of like how full it is. My hair has been re-wet. I used this one. My fit is like this cute little all black, athletic looking cute little thing. Just a tank top. This is a skirt but has shorts underneath, little spandex ones. Nick's on the way. Oh, Chick-fil-A. Cheers. Came to Walmart. Oh, y las uvas están bien buenas. Feels literally amazing right now. I'm actually gonna probably go home and like go play basketball, honestly. Vámonos. Bro, so many people told me my hair looks freaking long, and bro, it freaking does. You see it? You see it? You see it? Good game. Oh, okay. No, she's on the phone. What do you think? Should we add some string or leave it as is?
Leave it as.
Leave it as is? Okay. So we're gonna shampoo it also? Conditioner and shampoo. Okay. We had Chipotle today for lunch.
I know. It was so good.
Did you have some?
And you gotta get
Okay. Bro. I just played a basketball game. Lost. Like, I don't know, it was like 15-7. We didn't do terrible, but I did not play very good. My excuse is gonna be though that I just worked out, so like, I'm dead from the workout. I was sweating. I'm still sweating. I'm chilling. I have my lunch that I should eat, but like low-key I'm not probably gonna eat it. Cause we had Chipotle for lunch today. The manager bought it because it's one of the girls' birthdays yesterday. Good moment. Happy Sunday. I literally been resting all day. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is like the first time I like really get up, honestly. But bro, my body needed a break. Like, I literally skated yesterday for 2 hours. Like, I was like, oh, I'm just gonna skate for like 30 minutes, go home. I don't know, my legs were tired. And then I played basketball the day before, did legs, walked, played basketball the day before that with Nick. The day before that, I don't remember what I did, but I literally have worked out every single day this week. My body just needed to rest, so I just been sitting, chilling. I was editing some videos. But yeah, let's do something.
Very slow. It's so hard.
I'm gonna make some cookies. Not only do they look delicious, they smell delicious. I already had one of these because I had to, and it was so freaking good. They look, it's like the perfect amount of thickness, bro. This is literally my favorite cookie now of all time. Come on up. So we've been productive today. Look at how this side looks. I had to take a break from everything I'm doing. It's a lot. I have organized so much. Like low-key, you can't even tell. Like it kind of looks the same, but it looks much better at the same time. But I'm gonna take a break, go to the grocery store, get groceries, then come back, and then probably get ready for the game. We actually have 2 games tonight. Hey guys, I'm back from Walmart. I went to the thrift store while I was out because literally there's one right next to Walmart, and I got some good stuff. Let me show y'all this, which at first is like, what is that? But it's a hat hanging thing. So we're gonna try that out because I have way too many hats and they need a place to go. And then I got this also so I can hang my purses. We don't have as much space now. Before I had all my hats and purses just on the floor in the closet because there was enough room. Now we don't really got enough room for that. So I feel like this is gonna be good for my purses. And then I got one shirt for Nick. Just a little college shop. And then here's my groceries. Oh my God, they're heavy. I'll show you all the groceries too. I mean, why not? We're already doing a haul. Small thing of chicken, some grapes, milk, even though we just got some pasta, like some papas, queso ranchero. This stuff is so good. I was talking to one of my clients this week and we were talking about queso ranchero and I was like, oh girl, you're making me crave some. So I had to get some eggs too. Oh, I still gotta do my hair though for the game because I want to do like cute little braids, you know, because I flex on my braids, you know, my hair done. Some foam. And y'all know my nickname, Big D on there. That's my basketball nickname. And my basketball number 3.
Good play! Try, King.
Lightning goal, Nick Stoffer. Lightning goal, Big D.
Take it. Oh! Jeez for blood, bro. She's going on. I need to start down.
Does anybody have a silver minivan? They left the light on. Anyone?
Bro, that class was so freaking good. I was struggling. They're like shaking for real. I brought some melon. Just what I needed, honestly, after like hockey yesterday, because I was feeling it. They heat the room up to like 90, 95. So it's like heated. So it's even better than just regular yoga. Oh.
I guess we should put the date. What's today?
The 13th. So we'll go drop these off in the locker room. Then we'll go shoot basketball for 30 minutes. And then we'll go upstairs and hang for a little bit.
Yeah.
Then we'll come back down.
Check our fat weight.
Yeah. Done for the day? manager let me leave early, so it's 6 o'clock, we're done. Usually Wednesdays I'm here till 8, so. Bro, el chisme del día is wild. The manager got fired. Do you know, like, they say it's so hard to get fired from here? Well, we just witnessed it today. Oh, you like that? So is that online? What's up, y'all? I didn't take my camera to work today. But bro, the stuff that goes on at my work is crazy. Bro, and look at my 3-inch shirt. This is why I wear black. Which I did spray hairspray on it, so we shall see if hairspray actually works, because this is actually a light color, you know. Oh, and then, oh, my very first client, I totally forgot. The front desk girl comes up to me and she's like, hey, oh, take my shoes off. But anyway, she was like, oh, hey, your first client is here. He wanted me to ask what you drink from the cafe because he wants to get it for you. And I was like, he wants to get it from me. Those are the clients that I love. Those other clients that I love. Only because it's like, yeah, you can tip me $10, $20, you know, whatever. And I could go get it myself. But just the fact that you already got it for me. But yeah, so he was my first client. So I started the day off with the protein shake. I actually totally forgot I ate that because I was low-key thinking, I'm like not that hungry. But we also went to CVS, or what is that one? Walgreens. There's like a Walgreens literally right across the street from my work. And one time I said CVS and the lady corrected me. Oh, well, you know, that's Walgreens. I'm like, oh, it looks the same to me. Like, literally it's the same store with a different name. She knew because she like gets her medicine there. She's like, that's where I get my medicine. It's the Walgreens. Oh, well, good for you for knowing. But me, I've never lived next to a Walgreens or CVS. And whenever I see them, they literally look the same to me. So, and we just got snacks because there's nothing to do sometimes. It's been so slow this week. Thankfully, today I had appointments. I had like breaks in between. And then at the very, very end of the day, I had one girl for a color. I mean, not a color, a cut. And her was long, like down to her waist, and we cut it like to here and gave her some face frame pieces. It looks so cute. And then I curled it and the curls look so pretty, and I don't even think I took a freaking picture now that I'm thinking about it. Nope, I did not. Bro, weather today is great. Actually, let's put this window down. Oh, they say that this month the temperature, it varies from summer to winter, so it's just like depending on the day, really, because there was one day this week it was pretty chilly. But today feels great. I'm gonna make some chicken quesadillas for Nick and I. I'm gonna come back to his work, bring them, so that way I can like bring him his lunch. And then after he gets off, we're gonna go to Best Buy because I need a computer, bro. My computer is done. It's been done. It did what it needed to do. Got me through all these years. I bought it in 2015. We're in 2023. That's a long time ago, bro. First bird on here, and they're the small cute ones. I have a sopapilla cheesecake in the oven right now because one of the hockey guys requested it. I ended up not getting a computer the other day because low-key we were just like, oh, let's just go grocery shopping and go home. I'm putting these lights under. Remember in the old apartment we had these little cute lights? Alrighty, let's turn it on and see. Oh snap, oh snap. Time, stop. Sopapilla cheesecake's ready. Yay! Oh my god, they're cute. So I'm just trying to finish what I have on the wash so that way I can do something productive, go for a walk or go for a run. Bro, looking, I feel a little thick. I don't know. Maybe it's because like my shoulders are getting more broad and I've been eating good. I just came to run and I was chilling at the park, right? And it started raining. So I'm running back home. 1 mile, 26 minutes.
Go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way. For the hard way.
Just finished. We played 2 games. We actually tied both of them because we haven't won or tied until today. We've literally just lost. So we tied. All this would be a cheesecake's a gallon, which is a good thing. I left some at home though, so no worries, we still have a little bit. Remember, look at my elbow, it got messed up. There was one time that I fell pretty hard. Fucked up. On my way to work to do some extensions. Just finished the extensions. It's 9 o'clock. I really thought I was gonna do an hour a row, but she actually had a client, so I couldn't like start her right away. About a workout. I literally don't want to. My body is like dead. Cause honestly, this week has been busy. Thankfully, cause bro, last week was so dead, and the week before that was so slow. So I'm thankful that this week has been busy. Bro, I'm so proud of myself, low-key, because I was not gonna work out like hard, and I literally did so much. Like, I'm proud of myself because low energy, but you know what? It's okay. We got the workout in. And it's so nice, like, working out here, like, late at night, because it's so dead compared to during the day and in the morning. It's so busy. You guys, look what I got. You know how long this new tablet, oh my goodness. I think I've thought about getting a new computer for like the past 2-ish years. I told myself I was gonna clean though first, and then I can get it out and play with it later because I'm so excited to just like mess with it. The time is here. I can't believe it. And then we got the charger. Man, they fancy nowadays, look at this.
And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah.
Tell me how this guy convinced me to come help. The back is loaded up. I've been taking desserts to every like Monday night, and these guys be loving it. I'm taking this tripod so I can record the game. Locked and loaded.
Our next game between the Colorado Lightning and the Colorado Panthers. At the end of the first period, Panthers 2, Lightning 1. Lightning goal scored by number 0, Nick Stauffer. Final score, Panthers 4, Lightning 2.
Bro, my body right now feels so like tired. I went to work, did my coworker's 2 sons' hair, box braids on both of them. They look so clean and crispy. I got a picture at the end of their hair in the sun, and y'all know that's the best lighting. And after that, I got a massage because we trade services at work, which is really cool.
You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient,